repair looks like one thing. It looks like parents being accountable for what they just did and apologized. So if you've had a really bad day and you walk through that door and the kids' shoes are lying everywhere and you just start screaming at them because you're human and you had a human moment, all you have to do is say, oh my gosh, you know what, guys? I just messed up. I took my frustrations out on you, and that's not right. So I'm going to own it, and I'm going to apologize to you. And that, to me, is one of the most powerful parenting moments. Because what have you just done in that moment? Number one, you've modeled that mistakes are allowed.
Right.
Everybody's going to make mistakes. Number two, you've owned it.